Trendy fashion rules. Boy, we talk about those a lot, don't we? They are for people who want to blend in. Over the years, I have especially enjoyed helping women who have become empty nesters rediscover themselves and feel empowered through color science and personal style. Right now, we're going to discover how the right accessories can transform your look and elevate your confidence. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of accessorizing for your body shape? First, we want to understand our body shape. Every woman has a unique body shape that can be beautifully accentuated. Maybe you feel like your wardrobe is still not quite coming together even after having your colors done. While knowing the right colors to wear is a great start, there's more to creating a cohesive wardrobe. There are 5 basic feminine body shapes: hourglass, pear, inverted triangle, rectangle, and apple. Understanding your shape amplifies your style choices and helps in selecting flattering jewelry, shoes, and handbags. Knowing your shape isn't just fun, it's empowering. It sets the foundation for expressing your confidence visually. In this next segment, we'll dive into practical tips how to identify your unique body shape instantly. This is so simple. A simple wrapping technique can clarify your personal style. How? Stand in front of a mirror and get a large bath towel. Wrap it around your torso to reveal your natural silhouette. This straightforward method is your first step toward a more tailored wardrobe that speaks to your authority. Already know your shape? Learn how to accessorize the best way. Let's talk next how accessories complement each body shape. What if the right accessory could completely change your outfit and boost your confidence? That's right, it can be as simple as that. For an hourglass shape, opt for belts to accentuate your waist and draw attention to your curves. Rectangle shapes should play with layers. Think of scarves and structured bags to create dimension. Pear shapes may thrive with statement necklaces that draw the eye upward, balancing the silhouette. Stay tuned as we reveal how personal stories can guide us in making different style choices. Did you ever fall in love with a piece of clothing that just didn't suit you? Boy, I've had that happen to me more than once. One really sticks in my mind. I found a gorgeous checked jacket that I adored, but the scale was too wrong for my frame. The checks were too large. So sometimes our tastes can mislead us, and it's good to be aware of that. The key is to listen to your body. Let it guide your choices. Rather than just following trends or styles that appeal to you, style is what looks good on you. Remember, dressing stronger is about making realistic choices that reflect who you are and where you want to go. Now, let's explore the final consideration, the fabrics that will enhance your new empowered look. Now that you understand how to accessorize for your body shape, you're ready to consider how different fabrics will unlock your fashion harmony and personality.